Hi friends, I hope that you enjoyed today's book about Backhoes dig. And we learned about that is one of the machines that construction workers use. So today we are going to draw a backhoe together. And we are going to see if we can label it as well. So let's go ahead, let's start with the cab. The cab is where the construction worker or operator works from. So let's see if we can draw this right here, just a little top. And this little slant here, okay? And it's got another little slant here. And this one's going to be itty bitty. Okay, so straight across. And we're going to go all the way down here. So we have the top of the cab. And we're going to come straight across together, just like that. So from here, I'm going to draw little windows so that they can see. So there we go, we got that cab right there. So let's draw the body of the backhoes. Okay, so we're just going to draw a little rectangle here. So let's see. I'm going to stick out just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're just going to come straight down right here. Okay, and then we're going to do the same on this side. So we're just going to come straight down right here, friends. So it doesn't look like it quite yet, but we're going to get there, okay? So I'm just going to have a little line here. It's going to come in just a little bit further, I'm sorry. Just a little bit, just going to make it a little longer. And I'm just going to draw a line here in the middle. So this is the body that they work in, but I want to draw some wheels right here. So it's going to be small little circles. Right here. That's a small one. Then I'm going to draw one big one. So they can drive. It's going to be a little circle in the middle. Little circle in the middle. Put some dots around it because these are big wheels for construction workers. They don't look normal. So we put the bolts right here. And because they need to be on dirt, I'm going to add little spikes to them. So it looks like little squares. Looks like squares attached to the wheel. There we go. We got little spikes there. Let's do the same on this side. It's going to be little squares, just like that. It's going to be attached to this. There we go, so they can be on the ground. Okay? So now, if you remember from the backhoe, on the front, it's got a loader bucket. A loader bucket, that's the one that scoops up the dirt. So let's see if we can stick one out here. So we're just gonna have a little, small little swoop here. Come out and come around. We're going to connect that right here, just like that. Or our loader bucket there. Okay, It's that big scoop we're going to draw. So put a little dot there so it can be connected. And I'm just going to come out with the curve just a little. And I'm going to come out here just a little bit, just like that. So it looks like a claw. So now I'm going to connect these two ends. Okay, so I'm just going to come out here, and there's our front motor. Okay, now if you remember the back of the backhoe, it has an arm with the digger bucket, which is that big claw that it uses to dig the dirt. So the loader bucket picks up the dirt and scoops it. The backhoe digs the hoe. So let's go ahead. Let's make another little swoop here. I want to connect it to this side. Okay, so we're going to scoop. Just make a big round piece here. I'm going to put a little dot right here for the arm. Now we're going to draw the arm. So this was the big part. Now we're going to attach it. So it looks like an awkward little arm. I'm going to come up here. Like that. And this right here is going to be the digger that I'm going to draw next. That's that claw. Okay, the digger bucket. So it's going to be a slant here too. So I'm just making a slant, just like that. And take this, I'm going to curve all the way around and attach it. So I'm going to come around and attach. And there's our scoop. I forgot, I need to connect these a little bit. Just a little right there. All right, so now we have our front loader and our back digger loader right here. Now, if you remember, it also had legs. It had an arm and some legs, so we got to draw some legs on our digger, okay? So on here, I'm just going to stick the leg right here because it helps keep it steady. I'm just going to stick it right here, draw a line. And come right back up. Right here. And it's going to be a tiny little square next, right here. Just going to keep it steady. Okay, it had legs, so that was our leg. I'm also going to put one. Yeah, I'm just leaving it just like that. Goes behind there. So we have some legs there. So now we're going to label it. We're not going to put it here. We're going to put it up here. Okay? So, of course, we have these, our wheels. So we're going to label this wheels. W H E E L S. And I'm going to draw a box around our word so we know what that is. Okay? Next, I'm going to do a line for the legs. So scoop right here, attach it. So legs is L E G S. Legs. And of course, it has an arm. So we're going to stick right here, stick up. I'm going to write the word arm. So that's A R M. That's our arm. And draw a box around that. Very good. Now this one is our digger. So I'm going to come out. And digger is spelled D-I-G-E-R. Put a box around that. Right here is our loader. That's the one that scoops up the dirt. So we're going to stick a line out right here and spell that L O A D E R. Draw a box around this one and the last one, which is the cab. So we're going to stick this outline, and cab is spelled C-A-B. Draw a box around it. Now all to do, friends, is to color our backhoe. So I'm going to get out some crayons here. Maybe a little orange, a little peach color, and some yellow. Can't forget my black for my wheels right here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to color the loader because it's a little black. Just going to color a little bit here, friends. And I'm going to color here. I'm going to leave my spikes alone though because they stick out of my wheels. So I'm not going to color the little spikes here. Just going to color the inside of my wheels. Okay. You guys go ahead and finish coloring. I'm going to continue to color mine here. So you guys have a great evening and enjoy your coloring. Bye, friends.